You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing an updo using my leftover hair. So the hair that I'm gonna be using is pre-stretch spring twist hair, and it's in 1B. I'm not sure of the length, but I'll leave the link down below so you guys can see it. I did a tutorial with this hair. I think I used it to do the butterfly knots, so you guys can go ahead and check that video out. So the products that I'm going to be using today are, I'm going to be using my Murray Edge Wax right here. I'm going to be using my stocking cap. I have this stocking cap for a long time. The stocking cap, so it can have 2 holes. So this for my head, and then right here for my ponytails, just put my ponytail through the hair so it doesn't shrink. And then my styler gel and a rat tail comb, some elastic band, some small rubber bands, bobby pin, and a brush. So let's get started. So I'm gonna just pull my hair up in one, so you can see it's full. I dyed my hair so it's not all black, it's like brown. So you can see, if you guys haven't watched that video, the video is already on the channel, so you guys can watch it. How I achieved this color with using dollar store dye. So you don't have to spend $20 or however amount a dye is. You can use a dollar store dye and you can dye your hair if you want to achieve this. And you see, it didn't damage my hair. My hair is still bouncy. So if you guys want to try that, you can go to the dollar store and you can use the same exact product that I use. So let's just get started with this. I'm gonna just catch my hair up in one. So my hair is already detangled, so now I'm just going to brush everything up so I can start the style. So after I brush it up, I'm going to use one of the large rubber bands and I'm going to secure that. So you see that I had 2, so I just use one and I turn it into, like, just fold it in half to make it be 2. Then I'm going to protect my ends by doing like a little rope twist, and then I put it in a bun. Because we're not leaving out any of our hair right here. This is a protective style. So after we do that, we're just going to brush our hair up, and then we're going to apply the Eco Styler gel to make sure everything sits properly. If you guys don't like Eco Styler gel, you guys can do any other gel that you like. You don't necessarily have to use Eco Styler gel, but I do like Eco Styler gel for my hair because it actually holds down my hair really well. So now I'm gonna go in. I'm using one pack of the pre-stretch spring twist here, and I'm just using the rubber band. You're going to see the method shortly that I used to secure the rubber band on the hair. So it's coming up right now, so pay close attention to this. So you see I fold the rubber band in two, and then I put one end through the other part of the rubber band, and then I just hold it, like close it. If you guys don't know how to do it, you guys can pause the video, rewind the video, and look exactly how I did it. Now I'm showing you one way how you can do your bun. So this is the first way. This is not the way that I'm going to be using. So this is the first way. And now let me show you the second way how I'm going to be doing my bun, or you can do your bun. And this is the way that I'm using for the hairstyle. So instead of folding the hair, I let the hair be loose so the bun can be a little like taller and look a little bit fuller. Can see right there, I didn't really fold it. I let it be loose, and then I just fold it and then I just wrapped it around my hair, and this is how I like it. Now I'm using some bobby pin to secure the hair. After I do that, I'm going to measure the hair that I'm going to put at the front of my hair, so I could actually just hide those brown spots. If my hair was jet black, maybe it could leave the bun just like that, because that's like a perfect style right there. But because my hair is brown and the weave itself is black, I cannot leave it just like that. So I have to hide the brown at the front. Then I'm just measuring. And then I'm going to be using the crochet method. You guys are supposed to know how to do the crochet because I've been doing crochet for a very long time on this channel. So I'm using the crochet method, but if you guys haven't watched the crochet method, or you guys don't know the crochet method, this is how you do it. So you basically put your crochet through, make sure it's open, put the air in the crochet on the crochet needle, close it, and then you just pull it through. So this is how we're doing it. So you put the crochet through, make sure the needle is closed, then open it, put the hair on the crochet needle, close it, and then pull it through. As I said before, if you guys don't know how to do it, you guys can go back and watch that section. And then I'm just doing this so it looks full enough. Right here at the top of my head where you see a little gap, all of that will be gone because I'm going to use the crochet here to just wrap that around the bun. so there won't be any leave out showing. Nothing will be showing. Everything will just look like it's my hair. So now I'm just going ahead and I'm using the Eco Styler gel so I could define the curls, because you see the hair is looking dry. If you don't want to use the gel to do this, you can use water, and that will help. Or if you have mousse, you can use mousse as well. So right here I'm just going to start shaping it up to yeah, you see that little gap? That's not going to be there shortly. Everything is going to look as one. So you can see I'm wrapping the hair around, like the excess. And now I'm using one of those razors that you use to shave your eyebrows. I'm using that to make the hair a little thinner, because I don't really like the puffy hair. I just like everything just simple. So I didn't like the hair too puffy. I wanted it to be a little thin. Okay, so now I'm putting my stocking cap on. So this is how it looks. And there's one additional step that I did, but I did it off camera. It's optional because the hair, it have the Eco Styler gel, so it will remain curly. But for this, I use these blue things. What are they called again? Yeah, these perm rods. Yeah, I use these perm rods, and it made the curls more like, it does not define because the curls are already defined, but it made the ends curly even more. And you can see everything look like my hair, my natural hair. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for supporting. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not, and also leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys like this video and follow me on Instagram at IamjustGeorgiak. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye 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 bye.